Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix low volume problem on your POCO X8 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do if you got a low volume problem, you guys want to make sure that you adjust media and the call volume. So the first thing we're going to do is adjust the call volume because you adjust it not in the settings, but you're adjusting it somewhere else. So we're going to go to the phone app, and this might be weird, but here you can adjust the call volume. As you guys can see, we got the phone icon, which is the icon equivalent to the call volume. We're going to make sure that we put it all the way up and that you see volume boost is on at the bottom. Now, after changing call volume, we're going to go to the settings, and here we're going to scroll down until we see sound and vibration. Here we got the media volume, and we want to make sure that it's maxed out to the right, because that basically means that the media volume is turned all the way up. And after that, what you guys want to do is, let me quickly go back to the settings and sound and vibration. We're going to go over to sound options and make sure that do not disturb right here is disabled and everything is disabled, like the scheduled turn on time, turn this off, notified about calls, click none, and the rest disable. Now this is very important because sometimes do not disturb can simply block your notifications, block calls, and it does that. Also, it can block some sounds or just make them unhearable. So what you guys can do next is, as a last resort, restart and update your software. So first we're going to restart, press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. We're going to swipe down to reboot, and now it's rebooting. So I'll see you guys in a second, and then we'll go over to the software update. After the restart, let's go over and unlock the phone. We're going to go over and go to settings. We're going to go to about phone, and we're going to tap on the Xiaomi HyperOS right here. As you guys can see, I got no updates available, but if you do, then I recommend you updating. It's very important to keep up with the latest version so you don't have any old glitches laying around on your device. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.